Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the secrets of living a long, vibrant life filled with vitality and energy. In today's video, we are excited to share valuable insights on how you can enhance your overall well-being through good nutrition and lifestyle habits. The purpose of this video is simple yet profound: to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to lead a healthy and fulfilling life. Everyone deserves to experience the joys of longevity and vitality, and it all starts with making conscious choices that prioritize your health. It's no secret that good nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal health. Food fuels our bodies, impacting everything from our energy levels to our immune systems. Adopting a balanced and nutrient-rich diet can nourish your body from the inside out, promoting longevity and vitality. But it's not just about what you eat. Lifestyle habits also significantly shape your overall well-being. From regular exercise to adequate sleep and stress management, every aspect of your daily routine can contribute to or detract from your vitality. By making small but impactful changes to your lifestyle, you can set yourself up for a healthier and more vibrant future. Throughout this video, we promise to provide practical tips and advice that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. Whether you want to improve your diet, boost your energy levels, or feel better in your skin, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and prepare to embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Longevity and vitality are not just buzzwords but essential to leading a fulfilling and enriching life. This section will explore their significance and how they can positively impact every aspect of one's well-being. Longevity is more than just living a long life. It's about maximizing your time to experience new adventures, build meaningful relationships, and achieve personal growth. When you prioritize longevity, you open yourself to a world of possibilities and opportunities that can enrich your life in ways you never thought possible. By embracing longevity, you can create a legacy that extends far beyond your years, leaving a lasting impact on those around you. Whether through mentorship, philanthropy, or simply sharing your wisdom with others, longevity allows you to leave a positive mark on the world long after you're gone. Conversely, daily vitality is critical to maintaining energy, productivity, and happiness. When you have vitality, you feel alive, vibrant, and ready to take on whatever challenges come your way. From tackling your to-do list with gusto to pursuing your passions with zeal, vitality empowers you to live life to the fullest. Individuals who have successfully embraced longevity and vitality are shining examples of what is possible when prioritizing their health and well-being. From centenarians who continue to lead active and fulfilling lives to athletes who defy age and expectations, these individuals inspire us to strive for our longevity and vitality goals. The following section will explore the benefits of adopting good nutrition and lifestyle habits to enhance longevity and vitality. So stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to living a long, vibrant, and fulfilling life. Nutrition is pivotal in promoting health and well-being. It fuels your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. This section will explore the fundamental principles of nutrition and how to optimize your diet to support your overall health and vitality. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of good nutrition. It should contain various foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These nutrient-dense foods provide your body with many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for optimal health and well-being. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect your body against disease and support various bodily functions. Whole grains provide fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Lean proteins, such as poultry, fish, and legumes, are essential for building and repairing tissues and supporting muscle growth and maintenance. Vitamins and minerals are micronutrients that play crucial roles in supporting overall health. From vitamin C's immune-boosting properties to calcium's role in bone health, these nutrients are essential for maintaining a strong and resilient body. Antioxidants in foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Meal planning, portion control, and mindful eating practices are critical to maintaining a healthy diet. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can ensure that nutritious options are readily available and avoid the temptation of unhealthy choices. Portion control helps prevent overeating and allows you to enjoy a balanced diet without feeling deprived. Mindful eating practices, such as savoring each bite, listening to your body's hunger cues, and eating without distractions can help you develop a healthier relationship with food and improve your overall well-being. The following section will provide practical tips and advice on incorporating these nutrition essentials into your daily life to enhance longevity and vitality. So stay tuned as we continue our journey towards a healthier, happier you. In addition to nutrition, lifestyle habits play a crucial role in shaping your overall health and well-being. This section will highlight critical habits that can contribute to longevity, vitality, and overall wellness, empowering you to live your best life. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Whether engaging in structured exercise routines, practicing yoga for flexibility and relaxation, or enjoying outdoor activities like hiking or cycling, staying active helps improve cardiovascular health, boost mood, and enhance overall vitality. Incorporating movement into your daily routine can increase energy levels, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and promote longevity. Quality sleep is another vital component of a healthy lifestyle. Adequate rest is essential for physical and mental recovery and for supporting optimal cognitive function and emotional well-being. Prioritizing sleep hygiene practices, such as maintaining a consistent bedtime routine and creating a restful sleep environment, can help improve the quality and duration of your sleep, leading to increased vitality and overall wellness. Stress management and mental well-being are equally important aspects of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Chronic stress can harm physical and mental health, so finding effective coping strategies, such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies that bring joy and relaxation, is essential. Taking care of your mental health enhances your overall well-being and contributes to longevity and vitality. Hydration, regular medical checkups, and social connections are additional pillars of a holistic approach to health. Staying hydrated supports proper bodily functions, while routine medical screenings can help detect and prevent potential health issues. Cultivating solid social connections and nurturing relationships with loved ones can provide emotional support, reduce feelings of isolation, and contribute to a sense of belonging and purpose. The following section will provide practical tips and strategies for implementing these habits, empowering you to live a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling existence. The mind-body connection is a powerful and intricate relationship that significantly shapes our health and well-being. This section will delve into the interconnectedness of mental and physical health, exploring how nurturing this relationship can lead to longevity, vitality, and a sense of holistic wellness. Stress, anxiety, and negative emotions can have profound effects on our physical health, impacting everything from immune function to cardiovascular health. Chronic stress, in particular, can contribute to a range of health issues, including inflammation, high blood pressure, and compromised immune response. By recognizing the impact of these mental states on our bodies, we can take proactive steps to manage stress, cultivate emotional resilience, and promote overall well-being. Mindfulness encourages us to be present in the moment, cultivating awareness and acceptance of our thoughts and feelings. Meditation provides a space for quiet reflection, promoting relaxation and inner peace. Incorporating these practices into our lives can strengthen the mind-body connection, improving mental health and physical vitality. Positive thinking, gratitude, and emotional resilience are potent tools for cultivating a healthy lifestyle and promoting longevity. Practicing gratitude fosters a sense of appreciation for the present moment, enhancing our overall well-being. Developing emotional resilience enables us to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and strength, empowering us to overcome adversity and thrive in the face of challenges. By nurturing the mind-body connection and prioritizing mental and emotional well-being, we can create a harmonious foundation for longevity, vitality, and overall wellness. The following section will provide practical tips and strategies for incorporating these practices into your daily life, empowering you to live a healthier, more vibrant, and fulfilling existence. Empowering you to embrace a healthier, more vibrant life. You can nourish your body with essential nutrients that promote longevity and vitality by prioritizing a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Remember, every bite you take is an opportunity to fuel your body with the building blocks it needs to thrive. Lifestyle habits, such as regular physical activity, quality sleep, stress management, and social connections, are equally important for maintaining a healthy and vibrant life. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can enhance your energy levels, boost your mood, and support your physical and mental well-being. Small changes, such as taking a daily walk, practicing mindfulness, or contacting a friend, can significantly impact your overall health and longevity. By nurturing the mind-body connection and prioritizing your mental well-being, you can create a harmonious foundation for longevity, vitality, and overall wellness. We encourage you to implement the insights and tips in this video into your daily life. Remember, every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards a brighter, more vibrant future. If you found this video valuable, we invite you to subscribe, like, and share it with others to spread awareness about the importance of healthy living. We can empower each other to embrace a healthier, more vibrant life.